everyone, welcome to our channel. So as you already know, today's company is Delhivery. Delhivery is one of India's leading supply chain services company. It's an established firm in the e-commerce sector. We'll also be adding the link to their website in the description below. Let's quickly have a brief overview of the recruitment process.
So the profile offered by Delhivery is software developer. The CTC is 8 lakhs per annum. Coming to the online test, the test was on HackerEarth. It was of 90 minutes, consisting of 10 aptitude questions, in which there were general aptitude and CS related questions. And there were 3 coding questions, which was from level of moderate to hard. There was only one interview, that was the technical plus HR interview, which lasted for 1 hour. So let's invite our guest for today and discuss this process completely in detail. Hi everyone, today we have with us Krishna, who has cracked the placement for Delhivery. Welcome to our channel.
Thank you.
So Krishna, before we move on, I request you to kindly introduce yourself first.
So, hi guys, I am Krishna Patil. I am currently pursuing BTech in Computer Science program from MIT WPU, and I have successfully cracked software developer position in Delhivery in Feb 2021.
Congrats once again, Krishna. So I guess we can move on to the interview then. So Krishna, if you could kindly share the details of the whole process, right from the initial rounds to the final interview.
So basically, after registration, there was one HackerEarth test. So the HackerEarth test had 10 MCQs, which were based on different topics from like aptitude to like the CS core fundamentals, including OOPS, DBMS, operating system, and computer networks. And then it had 3 coding questions, which were of like 20, 20, and 50 points each. So basically the 20 points questions were kind of medium level, and the 50-point question was of hard level. So the questions were based on the hash maps, dynamic programming, and the one question was based on mathematics and answering the queries. So after that we got the shortlisting of after that we had the interview round. So we had 1 hour of interview. So in that first we started with one problem. So I was asked to code that problem, and after that I was again asked another problem on linked list. So I was only asked to like write the logic for that problem. After that I was asked to like answer few questions on operating systems, so which were kind of very basic, which we study in our normal engineering subjects. So after that I was asked an open-ended question on OOPS, so which was basically like how will you design classes for a particular website. So it was an famous e-commerce website. So like, let's say if you have Flipkart, so how will you define all the classes? And so basically it was kind of a low level design question. So it was not a totally kind of low level design. I had to set I have to assume few things, and it was up to me like what to put in it and what to not. So I was given that on myself. So after answering that question, I was asked a few DBMS queries, and after that I was again asked to solve 2 questions on Google Docs by another interviewer. So basically there were 2 interviewers, and first interviewer conducted the first half and second interviewer conducted the second half.
What I wanted to ask was, what was the duration of the aptitude test? Also, how long did it take for the whole process to be conducted, right, from the aptitude?
The the HackerEarth test was of like total 90 minutes, and in 90 minutes you had to solve 10 MCQs and 3 coding questions, all of them. So like to qualify, I did only solve 2 questions fully and 1 question partially. So, and the total duration was like after the HackerEarth test, we had 1 week, and after 1 week we had the interview, and the interview was only of like 1 hour, and the next day we got the results.
Okay. So if I ask you to rate the difficulty of the whole process.
So it will be like 7 to 8.
So
taking.
Krishna, are there any tips or tricks for our juniors to apply in delivery?
Okay, so like the online test was like the major filtering round. So basically most of the students got filtered there. So basically you have to prepare for that. So the three coding questions were not much easy. You have to practice on different sites like CodeChef and LeetCode and Geek4Geeks, so that you can crack that easily. And with that, you also have to be good with CS fundamentals like operating system, OOPS, and computer networks, because in face-to-face interviews, they ask them.
Okay, with that, it's a wrap. Thanks once again for coming and sharing your experience with us. It was a pleasure having you on our channel.
Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our content and channel. We will be back with another exciting company in the next week.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye, guys.